lahat ito no nagpapatunay na meron talaga mga ghost projects na substandard yung ginamit na kaparaanan ng paggagawa, and then meron ding maliwanag na contractor favoritism, no. Yun nga, may mga iba tayong mambabatas, they allege kickbacks as high as 25%, and nagkakaroon din ng tinatawag nating project clustering among new firms, no. So this is very very disheartening, because number one, we're not only talking here of small money, this is big amount of money, no. Kasi kung titingnan natin mula 2022 no hanggang ngayon, they have already funneled in, I think, more or less mga 1 trillion pesos na dito sa flood control na to, no, sa programa. Pero kung makikita natin, it's a dismal failure, no. So ang tatanungin natin dito, saan napunta yung pera? At the same time, we need to suffer the consequences